The graph shows the line of best fit for data collected on the average temperature in degrees Fahrenheit during a month and the number of inches of rainfall during that month. The equation for the line of best fit is y equals negative 3.32x plus 97.05. Based on the line of best fit, what would the prediction for the average temperature during a month with 13.25 inches of rainfall? So again, we need to decide what is that 13.25, and as we look at that graph, I need to be more specific, 13.25 inches, and as we notice, the inches is on the x-axis. So we're going to put 13.25 back into our prediction equation for x. Again, don't hesitate to use Desmos. So this is going to become y equals negative 3.32 times 13.25 plus 97.05. And when we type that into Desmos, we end up with y equals 53.06. Still the same kind of idea here. In problem 5, our presentation is a little bit different. Instead of a graph, we have a table. But a weather historian gathered data from several years about the average temperature and total rainfall in her city during the month of May and organized the data into this table. She used a graphing tool to display the data on a scatter plot, with x representing the temperature and y representing the inches of rain. Then she found the equation of the line of best fit, as y equals negative 0.424x plus 31.637. Based on the line of best fit, approximately how many inches of rain will fall in May if the average temperature is 48 degrees? So again, we need to look back at this and decide what we're working with here. An average temperature, the top value here, generally we would say that the first one is the x value and then the second value is the y value. So the top value in the table is x, the bottom value in the bottom value in the table is y, and again it says if the average temperature is 48 degrees, so we're going to say that x equals 48 degrees, and we're going to put that value back into our equation, x equals 48, back into that prediction equation. So we get y equals negative 0.424 times 48 plus 31.637, and when we type that into our calculator, into our Desmos, we end up with 11.285 for our inches of rain. On this program, it rounds. So if we look at the 8 here, because 8 is 5 or more, this value needs to round up. So ultimately the answer on an Edmentum is 11.3 inches of rain.